Most standard factory warranties only cover you for 3 years or up to 36,000 miles, which is not ideal when you plan on having a vehicle for a longer period of time. Thankfully, we provide options for Mopar extended warranties that can allow your vehicle to have the coverage that best suits your needs. A Mopar extended warranty can ease your worries about being covered and ensure your vehicle has the best care possible. One of the most popular warranties we provide is the Maximum Care Warranty, which grants protection on over 5,000 components and is available with a variety of terms and deductibles. Maximum Care plans also include car rental allowance, towing, roadside assistance, and trip interruption coverage. Our Mopar extended warranties are accepted at all Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram dealerships in North America, so you'll never have to worry about traveling far for your services. Our website, chrysler-factory-warranty.com, is informative, easy to navigate, and will help with the selection of your extended warranty. When purchasing directly from Chrysler Factory Warranty, we can save you up to $1,000 in comparison to buying directly from your dealer. Call one of our trusted warranty specialists for a quote today at 855-730-1290. Our specialists can help with any questions you might have.